Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting what's delicate. Tape the crystal, pushers, and crown so metal alone is exposed. Use a clean towel as your work surface and remove the strap or bracelet. Next, inspect the case under good light, prioritizing one area to start. You will use 0000 steel wool for brushed finishes and a jeweler's cloth for shine. Have isopropyl nearby to clean residues. Start with short, controlled strokes. This is precision work, not force. Once prepped, match technique to surface. For brushed lugs, move the steel wool along the grain in steady, straight strokes. Light pressure, repeat until uniform. For mirror-polished areas, switch to the jeweler's cloth and use small, overlapping circular motions to build shine without creating new scratches. Make sure to wipe the area with isopropyl after each pass to remove metal particles, then inspect under angled light. If you see haze, keep polishing gently. Patience ensures an even result. To finish, remove masking tape and clean the case with warm soapy water, then dry carefully with a microfiber cloth. This removes oils and fine debris. Reattach the strap or bracelet and test the crown and pushers to ensure nothing was displaced. If you notice deep scratches or uneven texture after your work, stop. Do not file aggressively. Instead, either repeat gentle polishing or consult a professional for refinish. That single troubleshooting step will prevent irreversible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.